futility. I must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much, but when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that are all this time, words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Oh God. Should have